And so we already have a figure. So sabi sa directions natin, we have to denote any point load as P, distributed load as WO, and total length as L. Any required variable mentioned here, you can assign them at your own discretion. So, in our figure 1, so sa problem na ito, meron tayong simply supported beam na may dalawang load. So, una ay uniformly distributed load ng WO, and the next is the point load na P na nasa gitna ng beam. So, ang beam ay simply supported, kaya meron tayong dalawang reactions. So, we have here the AY and BY. And sabi din sa problem is we have this as our length. So, dahil symmetric ang load natin, pareho yung hati ng WO at nasa gitna naman yung ating P load. So, masasabi natin agad na AY is equals to BY. And gagamit tayo ng moment equation para makuha naman natin yung value ng reactions. So, we have to make moment at B is equals to 0. So, ang moment ng AY ay counterclockwise habang ang WO naman ay clockwise. WO and P. So, AY times L is equals to WOL, L over 2 plus yung P natin times L over 2. AY is equals to WOL over 2 plus P over 2. Therefore, AY is equals to BY equals WOL times P over 2. And then we have to cut yung beam natin into dalawang section kasi meron tayong load sa gitna. So, we have to cut this before point load P and after point load P. So, unahin muna natin is yung cut natin after ng point load P. So, ito drawing natin ulit siya. Here, cut load after point load natin, which is the P. So, L over 2 XL. Then, you have to draw the figure kung saan tayo nag-cut. So, ito yung ating P. Ito yung ating A1 and BY. So, from P, AY to P, this will be our L over 2. And then, as I said kanina, ito yung ating length. So, ito yung ating WO, ito yung V at yung ating moment. Then, proceed tayo. So, AY, our summation ng FY equals 0. V plus P plus WO X is equals to AY. V plus P plus WOX is equals to WOL plus P over 2. Then V equals to WOL plus P over 2 minus WOX minus P. Then proceed naman tayo sa moment. Summation ng moment is 0. So M plus WOX X over 2 plus P X times L over 2 is equals to AY times X. Then M plus WOX squared over 2 plus P times X minus L over 2 is equals to WOL plus P over 2 times X. M is equals to WOL natin plus P over 2 minus WOX squared over 2 minus P natin times X minus L over 2. Yan. And after this, proceed naman tayo sa cut natin before point load P. Cut load before point load P. Yan. Drawing ulit natin yung figure natin, or magkakaroon tayo ng FBD. So, ito yung beam natin. This would be our X. Variable moment. Then this load would be WOX. Then proceed ulit tayo. Summation ng Fy is equals to 0. V plus WOX is equals to AY. V plus WOX is equals to WOL plus P over 2. And V is equals to WOL plus P over 2 minus WOX. Then our moment. Summation ng moment is equals to 0. So M plus WOX X over 2 is equals to AY times yung X natin. M plus WOX 2 squared over 2 is equals to yung WOL natin plus P over 2 times X. Therefore, M is equals to WOL plus P over 2 times X minus yung ating WOX squared over 2. Then after this, ayan, so our for next step natin is the bending shear before point load. So, kailangan nating i-analyze yung key points. And so, meron tayong bending shear. This is before point load. Ayan. So, sa start ng beam, at X is equals to 0. So, V is equals to WOL plus P over 2 minus WOX. V is equals to WOL plus P over 2 minus WO times X. So, yung V natin is equals to WOL plus P over 2. Then, proceed naman tayo sa X is equals to L over 2. So, yung V natin is equals to WOL plus P over 2 minus WOX again. WOL plus P over 2. Substitute lang natin yung X natin na L over 2. OM over 2. So, V is equals to P over 2. The next naman is at X is equals to L. P is equals to WOL plus P over 2 minus WOX natin minus P. So, V is equals to WOL plus P over 2 minus WOL minus P again. So, sorry. Nag-double yung ating then next natin is V is equals to WOL over 2 minus yung WOL natin plus P over 2 minus yung P. So, negative WOL minus P over 2. So, yung ating V at X is equals to L plus By. So, ito is negative WOL minus P over 2 plus si WOL natin plus P over 2 is equals to 0. So, tama siya. Kasi nag-0 siya. We then proceed sa ating bending moment before the load or point load. So, continuation to. Moment naman to. Ayan. So, at x is equals to 0. So, our moment is equals to WOL plus P over 2 times x minus WOX squared over 2. Then, moment again. WOL plus P over 2. Substitute lang natin yung x, which is 0. Over 2. Moment is equals to 0. Then, x is equals to L over 2. M is equals to WOL plus P over 2 times yung ating L over 2 minus WO. Substitute again. Squared over 8. So, ating M is equals to WOL squared over 4 minus ating WOL squared over 8 plus yung ating PL over 4. So, M is equals to WOL squared over 8 plus PL over 4. Next step is after point load naman tayo. So, ayan, after point load. L over 2. Ayan. Okay. So, start ulit tayo sa x is equals to L over 2. So, yung V natin is equals to WOL plus P over 2 minus yung WOX natin minus P. Then, substitute again ng x na L over 2. Therefore, ang V natin is equals to negative P over 2 or negative P squared over 2. Next naman natin is x is equals to L over 2 ulit. So, itong moment naman to. So, M is equals to WOL plus P over 2 times x minus WOX squared over 2 minus P. X is equal minus L over 2. And moment is equals to WOL plus P over 2. Substitute natin yung L over 2 natin. Minus WOL over 2 squared over 2 minus P L over 2 minus L over 2. So, ito, 0 to. M is equals to WOL squared over 4 plus PL over 4 minus WOL squared over 8 is equals to 0. We then proceed sa ating at x is equals to L. So, moment natin is WOL plus P over 2 times L. Substitute lang ulit. WOL squared over 2 minus P times L minus L over 2. So, moment is equals to WOL plus WOL squared over 2 plus yung PL over 2 minus WOL squared over 2 again minus yung PL natin over 2 ulit. So, yung moment natin is equals to 0. So, we have to draw our shear diagram. Una muna i-drawing natin yung kanina, yung ating figure 1. So, ito ang ating figure 1. Meron tayong P-load dito. And ito yung kanyang iba pang loads. So, itong AY, base sa ating nakuha, WOL plus P over 2. And yung ating BY is WOL plus P over 2 again. Then, gawin natin yung share natin. Sabihin natin. So, yung ating WOL plus P over 2. Yung positive sign natin is this one. Well, ito naman yung ating negative sign. WOL. Oh, sorry. This is minus kasi negative na siya. And then, ito naman yung magiging M-max natin. Which is WOL squared over 8 plus yung PL natin over 4. Ito yung moment natin kanina. And I'm gonna shade it now. So, yung moment natin at x is equals to L plus MB is 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. So, yan. Already done. So, tama yung ginawa natin since nag-0 tayo. So, yun lang.